Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun crayon transfer. First, you start by coloring patches of color on your paper. You can use regular Crayola crayons, but just make sure to press down hard when you are coloring. You really want to use your muscles and cover the surface of the paper solidly with the crayons. Keep coloring until you fill up a good portion of your paper. What you're going to do next is place a clean sheet of paper on top of the colors and take a ballpoint pen and carefully draw your designs. You also need to press down firmly for this step, and using a ballpoint pen is best rather than a felt tip pen or a Sharpie. The reason why is because you really need to press hard in order to get the crayon to transfer. You can draw whatever you want, but I use some of these doodle sheets for ideas. When you peel the paper back, you will see that the crayon has transferred to the other piece of paper. You can continue to draw more and more doodles, filling up your page. Just make sure that your paper and where you are drawing is right on top of the colored piece of paper below it. You can even reuse portions of the colored paper, or you can just add more colors to the rest of the page. The other thing to keep in mind is that everything you draw will be printed in reverse. So if you are writing a word, you need to write every letter backwards, and then you need to write the entire word backwards as well. Here you can see I am writing more letters backwards. I recommend practicing on a separate piece of paper until you get the hang of it.